Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully you all are fine at your homes. Today I am going to explain your June summer task. We starts with week 1, unit 1 living things. First of all, learn whole exercise of unit 1 and solve the given assessment. I am going to explain assessment to you. So first of all you have to write your name of student, then the date, max marks which you receive from here after completing their assessment is 10. Class 3 subject science unit number 1 living things. First of all, answer the following question. Why food is important to the body? Second question, how is oxygen used by the body? Third question, match the living things to its breathing organs. Living things are fish, butterfly, plants or tree, sheep. Breathing organs are lungs, stomata, small holes on the sides of the body, gills. Match the living things with their breathing organ. Next question number 4 is filling the blanks. Animals that eat plants are called dash. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called dash. Dash is herbivore. And part D is animals that eat plants are called dash. The same question is repeated 2 times, so you have to attempt it only 1 time. Next part, it is start of your unit number 2. Write the following question answers on your science notebook with properly mentioned date and day. Follow your writing patterns. Writing patterns are attached in your copies. Draw diagrams neatly. First of all, date and day. You have to write it in your notebooks. Unit number 2. Types of living things, animals. Questions are, answer the following questions. Number 1, what are vertebrates? Answer is, animals with backbone are called vertebrates. Examples are horse, fish, human beings. These are vertebrates. Question number 2, what are invertebrates? So answer is, animals without backbones are called invertebrates. Examples are jellyfish, butterfly and a snake. Next question number 3, name 5 classes of vertebrates. So the answer is, there are 5 classes of vertebrates. 1, fish. 2, bird. 3, mammals. 4, reptiles. And 5, amphibians. Fish, bird, reptiles, mammals, amphibians. Question number 4, draw amphibians. Answer is, an amphibian is an animal that spends part of its life in water and parts of its life on land. Examples are frogs and toads. Question number 5, what are mammals? Answer is, most mammals live on land. Their skin is covered with hair or fur. They breathe through their lungs. Examples are cats, dogs, goats, humans and cows. Next, now we move to our book activity. Assalamu alaikum students. Now your unit number 2 activity part, page number 15. Filling the blanks to complete the statements. Part A, we can divide living things into dash groups. Answer is TWO2. We can divide living things into 2 groups. Part B, smaller groups of animals are called classes. Answer is classes. CLASSES. Part C, some animals have a hard skeleton made of bones. BONES, bones. Part D, the dash bone is made up of many small bones. Answer is back. BACK, back. The backbone is made up of many small bones. Part E, all worms have dash bodies. Answer is SOFT, soft. All worms have soft bodies. Part F. The starfish has rough skin with sharp needle-like spines. 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 The starfish has rough skin with sharp needle-like spines. Part G. A spider has dash legs and dash wings. Answer is EIGHT, 8 legs and no wings. Part H. A butterfly has dash legs and dash wings. Answer is 6 legs, SIX, 6 legs and FOUR, 4 wings. A butterfly has 6 legs and 4 wings. Part I. A crab has dash legs and dash wings. Answer is TEN, 10 legs and no wings. A crab has 10 legs and no wings. Part J. Animals with backbones can be divided into dash classes. Answer is FIVE, 5. Animals with backbones can be divided into 5 classes. Question number 2. Choose the best answer. The body of a starfish is covered with options are a shell and spines. So the answer is spines. The body of a starfish is covered with spines. Part B. A snail has dash covering its body. Options are a shell, spines. So the correct one is a shell. A snail has a shell covering its body. Part C. Worms have dash bodies. Options are hard, soft. The correct one is soft. Worms have soft bodies. Part D. The middle part of an insect body is called the dash, abdomen or thorax. So the middle part of an insect body is called the thorax. Part E. Fish breathe through their dash. Options are fins, gills. So the correct one is gills. Fish breathe through their gills. Part F. Amphibians live dash. Options are on land, in water, on land and in water. So the correct one is amphibian lives on land and in water. Part G. Reptiles have dash scales on their skins. Dry, slippery. Options are dry and slippery. Correct one is dry. Reptiles have dry scales on their skins. Now the amazing facts part. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. The largest bat is the flying fox, which has a wingspan of over 6 feet. Its wing can open up to 6 feet. The blue whale is the world's largest mammal. It may weigh up to 180 tons, be over 100 foot in length and eat 4.5 tons of plankton, very tiny plants every day. This is an amazing fact about bats and blue whales. Next page. Label the following diagram. Question number 3. Label the following diagram. You have to label the parts of the fish and the fly. Next question is identify the animal. Characteristics are given. You have to write down the animal name. First one is rough skin with sharp spines, swims with 2 feet, is star shaped, and the answer is starfish. STAR, star, FISH, fish. 2. Small animal has 8 legs with many joints and no wings. Answer is spider. SPIDER, spider. Next, lives in water, has a backbone and breathes through gills, has scales on its body and swim with its fin. Answer is fish. FISH, fish. Part 4. Lives on land and water, has strong hind legs, eat insects and plants, lay soft eggs in water. Answer is frog. FROG, frog. 5. Dry scaly skin, breathe air with lungs, has a backbone, has no legs or eyelids. Answer is snake. SNAKE, snake. Body covered with feathers, has a sharp beak and claws, lays eggs with hard shells. Answer is bird. BIRD, bird. Part 7. Skin covered with hairs, breathes with lungs, has a long nose, give birth to babies. Answer is elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. So it is the end of your exercise of Unit 2. Be careful while doing your assessment or doing your home task. Allah Hafiz.